Let's clean our Breville espresso machine. Before we start cleaning the machine, let me show you that this is what you would have got along with your machine. That is the single shot basket and the silicone basket. First, you have to remove your double shot basket from your portafilter. Once that is done, just fit the single one within the portafilter. Once it is done, with help of a knife for sure, take out the tablet which you have to clean your Breville machine. I'm using here another party, not a Breville one, tablets which I ordered from Amazon. I've put the link in my description. You can use to order it. These are really good and cheap as well for sure. Put the tablet in portafilter and put that portafilter back to the coffee machine, just like how you are going to make another coffee. Before we do the cleaning, we definitely want to fill up the machine with water. We don't want the machine to run dry. To kickstart the cleaning process, click your single shot, double shot, and after that power button together for a couple of seconds, and the machine will start up with cleaning light on, as you can see it in the video. Let the machine run for a couple of cycles. It will keep on running before it will end the cycle by giving you beep sounds, which tells you that the machine has already cleaned. You can take out the portafilter and just check whether the tablet has dissolved. If the tablet hasn't dissolved, you can run it once again, the same process. And over here you can see the water and the tablet had disappeared for me. So the next step of cleaning it, I don't want any of the chemicals to be left in my machine, so I've put one utensil below. I've started a shot. I will do it a couple of times so that all the chemicals go out of the machine. After that, I'm also doing hot water over here so that I can clean the hot water outlet as well. And I have also done the steam one over here, which will make sure that all the dirt and the grim can come out easily. After this is all cleaned, take a damp cloth, clean your machine because there are a lot of splashes of coffee and milk on the machine. Give it a good clean so that your machine is all ready to make you another best shot, which comes out as Breville to make you best coffee. Enjoy.